I got a call from a client about their dog whose name is Tigger. Their dog is a small breed dog who is a senior, and they were having what seemed to be bladder control problems. So the poor dog was walking around the house not able to control their ability to go to the bathroom. And it seemed like they were going to the bathroom constantly and in discomfort and out of control, including the person, Tigger's person, being up all night, having to take their dog and clean up messes and stuff at night. And he could tell, because he has a very close relationship with his dog, that his dog was actually really uncomfortable waking him up, making messes in the house, and how could I help? So I did the session and I felt a lot of heat from the kidneys, from the urinary tract. I gave some advice about changes in diet. I did recommend some blood tests to make sure that there wasn't something else that I could be missing. They could not determine anything wrong with Tigger, which just I couldn't believe. I kept hearing over and over again as I proceeded to do more sessions to help balance Tigger out and give him some relief that he had some kind of virulent infection in the kidneys and urinary tract. The vets, just kind of as a last desperate call, decided to do an antibiotic to see if they could remedy the situation that way. And it was towards the end of the antibiotics that Tigger's infection actually started to clear up and he began to have more control of going to the bathroom and whatnot. So now, today I come back and Tigger's definitely looking a lot better. He is energetically, again, he's a senior dog, so I can feel him weakening because he's older, the body is weakening. His spirit is good. What I liked about the entire process of working with this particular client is that it looked pretty serious, like we may have to consider helping him pass. And the reasons were not because he didn't want to deal with cleaning up after Tigger, but he asked the right question. The question he wanted to know was, is Tigger okay? What's Tigger's quality of life? I want my dog to be happy. I don't want him sticking around just for me. It's not about me, it's about Tigger. And this is the mistake that a lot of clients make. They call me in desperation, wanting to have their dog or cat or bird, horse live at any cost, because they're only thinking about themselves. And this client had this wonderful aha moment that it was about Tigger and his quality of life. The good news is that this client has been given more time with their 15-year-old dog, and his quality of life is where Tigger can accept it. Tigger's like, I'm down, I can handle it. So what I'm gonna recommend is some additional probiotics and a homeopathic remedy. I think the gentler we go with a senior animal and a sensitive animal like Tigger, the better off they are, because harsh antibiotics can really kind of run down their immune systems even more and be harder on the liver and other organs. And then we're going to continue to do energetic sessions to support him. And that's how his owner has proceeded, and Tigger is really thriving today because of it.